Hey guys, how's it going? How to edit webflow templates. So editing a webflow template is straightforward. Here's a concise guide to help you get started. First of all, purchase or access the template, right? If you haven't already, purchase a template from the webflow template marketplace or access one from your webflow account. And then you're gonna create a new project, and then you're gonna open that designer. Okay, open the designer to enter the webflow designer interface, and then click on any text element to edit its content directly. Use the style panel to change fonts, sizes, and colors, and then select an image element. Go to the settings panel and then upload the new image or replace it with a URL. Okay, and then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead into click on the link elements to edit destinations or toggle settings. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna use the navigator panel to select elements in the panel, and style panel to adjust their properties, margins, padding, background colors, etc. And then if the template includes interactions, go to the interactions panel to customize or edit them. And then to edit different pages, go or use the pages panel. You can also add new pages or delete existing ones. And then after you review it, use the preview mode to see your changes in action. When satisfied, click publish to make your updates live. So let's put on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.